Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 14th of February, 2023. Talking about SOFi real quick, zooming in on the chart. You guys can see that on my prior video, I was looking for SOFi to go higher. January the 30th, 2023. You guys can see how high price went. Got our ultimate TP price out the same day, 17%. Market topped out in SOFi though at $8.25, 38, almost 39% profit run. Congratulations to those who's able to top that because you won. That's something that we do here on this particular channel. Now, the first thing I'm going to do in SOFi is I'm going to lift the resistance area. Okay, so this is the location that we now know sellers are positioned, because ever since price in SOFi on the 1st of February came to this level, price has been trending down. So we got it. Okay, so let's look at this on the 5-day chart. Okay, we had 8 hours and 34 minutes left, and currently we're still seeing the selling mixed in. So this is where the selling began in SOFi right here. Okay, the volume was heavy, price closed off of the highs, which is indicative of selling, and is still bleeding over into this current 5-day price bar. So yes, we're still generally weak into the market in SOFi. Take a look at this on the 2-weekly chart. You guys can even get more confirmation that price is generally weak in SOFi. So if anything, we need to let the market come back down to find buyers. Okay, we need to see where are they located. Okay, now we don't want to see them break this trend though. This trend line, which is on the chart, we don't want to see the market break that. So possibly we could see buyers come in at $6.50 to around $6. Okay, that's what I'm looking at, $6.50 to like $6. Okay, so let me look at this on the hourly chart first, because I'm generally seeing weakness right here. Yesterday's trading day, we really didn't see any indication that buyers were coming through, and that's on the 3-hour chart. Here it is on the 1 hour. You guys can see the market is pretty much traded sideways the whole day, which is indicative of no interest of pushing price up. We didn't see that. Instead, the market just consolidated, and we even closed down towards the low of the day of trading in SOFi as well. So again, we may see it run down to 650, like I said, right around this area. Now that may not be enough to actually anticipate lower prices. Something like 2.5% move lower, which is really doable. Oh yeah, the last 2 days we haven't seen no price action occur to the market in SOFi. Right there, somebody's doing a lot of selling, and rightfully so. For every sell, there has to be a buy. Somebody obviously think that where price is in SOFi is an attractive point, but looking at this on varying time frames, I think we got a little bit lower to go in SOFi. Just a little bit lower. Let me show you why. So let me go ahead and do this. One reason why I suspect that we got a little bit lower to go in SOFi is because price fell below $7. Okay, now why is $7 or $7.11 important? Take a look, because back here in July 2022, the market in SOFi also saw a big indication that price got rejected, right? So if I were to extend this line to the left, majority of the price action in SOFi since April of last year occurred below this line. Now look at the market. Where's price at now? It is now below that $7 level, or $7.10 or so. That is one indication why we're going to continue to be weak into the market in SOFi. Now, given that that's the case, like, relax. The market doesn't mean it's going to crash. It doesn't mean that I'm massively negative on SOFi. You know, I'm just predicting where is the easiest place that price would move right now. And right now it looks as if it's going to be to the downside. Okay, So we really want to determine how low price can go though. So we got our resistance area at $8. Okay, I said my first target was at 650. Okay. So for us to see the market run at 650, that is 3.5% move to the downside, 650. Okay. My second one is going to be around 6. I really don't want to see the market break below 6. That's 11.11%, $6. So I'm just going to drop 2 price targets. Those are it. Okay. And then I'll let you all go. Now, since you guys are a part of the channel, right? I want you all to learn how to look at the markets for yourself and determine where do you think price is going to go on a shorter time frame. I'm not saying in the next decade. I'm not saying the next 30 years, because I know a lot of YouTubers try to push that. Nobody could possibly give you a realistic price target in the next 30 years. But give it to me in the next 3 weeks. What do you think price is going to be? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.